Hi everyone, it's Fan, a designer here at the Bead Flora Studio. As some of you know, I like to make jewelry from my French beaded flowers. So in today's technique video, I will be showing you how to make a wrap loop. It is a standard jewelry making technique. And so this would be a good technique video to refer back to when we're making jewelry. The tools that we'll need are round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and cutters. First, we'll take chain nose pliers, and we're going to position this on the wire over the red bead here. Bend the wire down at a 90-degree angle over the chain nose pliers. Now we'll remove the chain nose pliers, and we'll go on to the round nose pliers and position the wire in between the two barrels of the round nose pliers. Now take your finger and bend the wire over the barrel of the round nose pliers. Now we'll remove the round nose, and you'll see that we have a half loop over here. Now take the bottom barrel and stick that into that loop. Now bend the wire here across, just like this. Now we're going to take the chain nose again and wrap it around twice or 3 times, 2 or 3 times, depending on the space that you have here. You just want to wrap it so that there's no space between the bead and the wires. I'm going to cut this here and tuck in, and be careful not to crush the bead with your chain nose, or you might have to redo it over. All right, here we are, and you can just stick an ear wire on here and you will have some pretty French beaded earrings. Like I said, I will be doing more jewelry, so this would be a good technique video to refer back to.